Trim function is used to eliminate the extra spaces from your text. It will keep the one necessary space and eliminate the rest of the unnecessary spaces from your text. For example, I have two lines and there is unnecessary spaces between the words. You can see this and is, it has like unnecessary spaces in between. So if I want to remove those, so what I will do, I will just simply use the trim formula, TRIM, press tab, and then select the cell, close a bracket, press enter. Now you can see it kept the one space in between the words and delete the rest of the spaces. So again, if you want to just use for the second line as well, just drag from the bottom and it will apply for the next line as well. So this is how you can use this function.